In this 10 on your side follow-up, it could be another year before a military family sees a ruling on mold found inside their home.
We told you about this last night during jury selection. It's that very jury selection that caused a judge to declare a mistrial. 10 on your side's Matt Gregory is in the newsroom now to explain.
Tom and Nicole, in 2010, attorneys for the family of Marine Gunny Sergeant Joe Federico claim they began to have mold problems in their home. And at that time, the family lived in Lincoln Military Housing in Norfolk. It's a claim that housing vigorously denies and says they have proof it didn't happen. But it might take another year to fight that case. A day after a judge declared a mistrial in their case, the legal team sits in what they affectionately refer to as the war room. They discuss what's next with the family of Marine Gunny Sergeant Joe Federico at the center.
They've destroyed this family and they've destroyed other families. And we're going to continue fighting for them. They can't outgun us.
This dates back to 2010. That's when the Federico family attorneys say they first saw mold and water damage. The family claims it happened at Lincoln Military Housing in Norfolk. Mrs. Federico had multiple allergic reactions, and her husband, Gunny Federico, has suffered mental setbacks.
There was a time where he couldn't remember where to stop to go home, and they have to leave a flag out now outside their home, a Marine Corps flag outside their home for him to remember where to pull his car in.
Lincoln Military Housing sent 10 on your side this statement. Their attorneys claim that they have no proof mold existed in the home and there's no link between the medical conditions and the home. Wednesday night jury selection at the federal courthouse wrapped up, but during the selection, both sides claimed the other disrupted the jury process. Lincoln Military Housing says the attorney for the Federico family already had tried to stall the case. The Federico family attorneys say the defendants tried to strike jurors unconstitutionally. Either way, the judge declared a mistrial.
What's next is that we requested the court to allow us to file a motion for sanctions based upon Lincoln's misconduct.
But for now, the transcript of that is sealed. Lincoln Military Housing's counsel tells me there are 7 or 8 other families that have filed suit also, but they added that they've had 7 cases dropped and 2 settled. Now, 10 on your side will continue to follow this story. In the newsroom, Matt Gregory, 10 on your side.